Hello, this is Brother Joseph. I want to do a video series on the habit, how to make the habit. Where do you begin? What does it look like? Here's the cover sheet and the PDF. It's all written in pencil, so it's going to be hard to see in the camera, but you should be able to see. This is the beginning. One piece the size of the Shroud of Turin. This will look like at the end. You'll divide the pieces into 4 equal pieces. Mine is a little bit bigger because I intended to make bigger lips, but it just didn't happen. Each piece would be designated to a portion of the body. One is for the top and arms, one is for the front, one is for the back, and one is for the waist. I've named these according to the Gospels. The top and arms is Mark, the front is Matthew, the back is Luke, and the waist is John. And then I have buttons. The aim objective was 40 buttons. 40, of course, is symbolic, just the same as 4 is symbolic. It's the symbol of trial. So you're wrapped in Christ's burial cloth, held together by trials. There are 105 slits for the buttons, and the rest of this document will show the placement. The top and the arms. The next sheet is the placement of each. The top and the arms, the buttons are round, the slits are lines. There's Luke, because Luke goes on the back. I like to put the back on before I put the front. The front, and then there's John. Part 2, I will show you piece by piece how to put the whole thing together, where the slits go, where the buttons go. End of part 1.